Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. Have you ever watched a video on Reddit? Later you want to watch it again. But now you cannot find that video anywhere. Do not worry, let me show you how to find videos you watched on Reddit. First, open the Reddit app on your phone. Make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. After that, tap on the three lines at the top right. From the menu, tap on History. On the History screen, make sure Recently Viewed is selected. Here you will see posts and videos you watched. Scroll through the list to find the video. Tap on the video to play it again. If you want to find it later, save the post. Saved posts are easy to access anytime. This is how you can find videos you watched on Reddit. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more Reddit fixes and phone guides. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.